Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. Okay, hi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, this is just kind of an impromptu video that I'm making because I just cannot believe what is happening to me. I was saying I cannot believe the beautiful thing that is happening to me this week. It's really quite unbelievable. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am your sustainability, eco-friendly hostess with the mostest. I teach you how to live luxuriously while also being sustainable and helping the environment. And one of the biggest topics that I have on my blog, give me just a second. Okay, sorry. One of the biggest topics that I have right now is the promotion of my 21-day womb detox. If you have not already watched the video, you can check out more about the 21-day womb detox by clicking the link above. In that video, I kind of show you what it's like to go on a 21-day womb detox. If you don't even know what a womb detox is, just a brief summary, it is a detox that you do to help heal your womb, heal it from trauma, heal it from disease. It really is an overall body makeover and healing experience because you not only adopt a healthier diet, but you also adopt healing modalities that you kind of put into practice. So you will develop habits of meditation, journaling, taking baths, going to the sauna, and just different practices that are going to help you rid your body of toxins that can be creating disease and discomfort in your womb. And if you have a diseased womb, some symptoms of that could be fibroid, uterine fibroids, or you could have really painful period cramps or heavy periods, or you can also have cysts, uterine cysts. So these are just some of the things. Obviously, they can get even more complicated and just more exacerbated, like cancer. You don't want that. But yeah, that's what this video is kind of about. I wanted to give y'all an update. I've been kind of detoxing my womb regularly, I would say, for the past 2 months, and just more committed because about 8 weeks ago I went to a doctor's appointment because I was having pain in my pelvic region. I was just like tired of it. I was spotting in between my periods after like a period of not spotting for a long time. So I was really concerned because I'm not on birth control or anything like that would alter my hormones. So I was not sure why I was spotting and why I was having so much pain. So I went and had a sonogram and an ultrasound, and they came back and told me that I had a 6 centimeter size cyst, and I also had a fibroid, one fibroid that was about still there. It's about 2.5 centimeters. And as soon as I found out the information, it kind of reaffirmed that I needed to do this detox, because I truly believe that you can heal your body by taking care of it and using the proper herbs and creating the proper environment that will help rid your body of the disease that you're experiencing. And so I'm making this video today because this is the second month of me really putting more effort into my womb detox, and I am so happy to say I'm on day 2 of my period, of my cycle. Sorry to be so blunt and candid, but I'm on day 2 and I don't have any cramps. This is like a first. Like, I used to get really faint when I had my period. If I moved around, if I was doing anything but laying down or lounging on the couch, on the sofa for the first 2 days, I could faint. I've actually fainted in public. Years ago, I fainted in public because I wanted to go and get a snow cone. So I got in my car and drove to get a snow cone. And while I was standing in line, I flat out fainted in front of people. And that was like the wake-up call for me that I needed to slow down. And that actually started my journey into femininity, because I realized I was just too much in my masculine. And I think that played a big role, and has played a big role in the symptoms that I've had during my period. So this is the second month in a row. Last month it was a very mild period as well. I had 1 to 2 days of mild cramping, meaning I could still move around and go about my life. Like, I didn't have to stay home. I could still go to work, that sort of thing. But this month, oh my God, yesterday I had mild cramping. It was cramping, but it was like in the way that I could still move around and walk around. And then today's day 2. Day 2 is usually the worst day. Day 2 and day 3 are usually the worst day for cramps, and usually it's the day that I have to sit down all day. Baby, I've been around shopping. I've been doing everything. I've been living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, because it is. And I'm just so excited to see these results. I had my checkup last week at the doctor's, and my cyst is gone. So the 6 centimeter cyst did go away on its own. They usually do, but sometimes if they don't, I guess you have to have like a doctor's intervention, and they can help with probably draining it. But mine went away on its own. So I just want to continue this, and hopefully I can safely and naturally get rid of my fibroid, because I don't want to have that surgically removed. So I wanted to share this video because, guys, the detox does work. You really got to put in the effort and make that commitment to change your life. But if you're someone who suffered from painful periods, if you like end up having to like not be able to go to work, or you can't really function 2 to 3 days out of your period, that it means that your womb is not healthy, and you need to go ahead and get that baby upgraded. So I wanted to share that. It's super exciting because I'm sitting out here in my car, moving around, doing things, feeling like I'm not even on my period, and I am. And I haven't taken any drugs. Like, I don't like to take drugs, you know. I don't take Midol or anything, unless it's like that bad, which I do when it's really that bad. But literally, I woke up this morning, I was like, am I even on my period? And if you didn't know, there are women who don't bleed anymore. It's not natural to bleed. We've been told this lie that it's natural for us to be bleeding 5 days or 7 days out of the month, when it's not. You can be totally healthy and natural, totally healthy and like fertile, and not even have a real period. Like, your period may last like 1 or 2 days, but like, it's not natural to bleed heavily for a week. So I'm trying to get to that 1-2 day mark, maybe like, you know, light stuff, and then that's my ultimate goal, because that would make my life so much better, and I would feel so much. I already feel healthier. I'm lighter. I'm down in weight. My stomach is flatter. I'm feeling great, and I just want to share that with you guys. If you want more information about my 21-day womb detox, you can click on the description box in this video. I'll link both the 21-day womb detox, the cookbook, if you just want the cookbook that shows you the recipes and the meal plans so you can do some meal prep on your own. I'll link that below. You don't have to actually do the entire plan if you don't want to. And then I'll also link a link to like a demo or a sample, so you can like try it for a day or 2 if you want to just kind of see what it's like, and yeah, test it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.